Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to embed Google Calendar into Notion pages. The easy way to go about this is connecting your Google Calendar with Notion. So head over on the left side menu here, scroll a little bit down to find Notion Calendar. It's going to open up a new page. All you got to do is just add Google Calendar account. You can simply integrate all of your event, appointments, etc. right here. So I'm gonna scroll a little bit down on the left side panel because I already created a calendar account. I'm gonna hit the plus button here to add a calendar account. You can connect Google Calendar. In our case, we want Google Calendar, but if you want iCloud or Outlook, you can do it on your own time. I'm gonna just go ahead and hit connect Google Calendar and select your account, obviously, and give them permission, right? Now, you're going to see all of your appointments, all of your holidays, all of your events right here. Like if it's today or a few weeks, whatever, right? You're going to see it right here because it's integrated. So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time.